We're talking about connecting through kindness. And as always, the theme that runs through all of these sessions is remembering that you're not your thoughts. You're this beautiful energy beyond your thoughts, your consciousness, your awareness, your kindness, your compassion, your love, your joy. And believe you me that although the world has us believing that there is, everything is negative at the moment. And don't get me wrong, there are a lot of challenges, but there's also a lot of beauty. And that beauty exists and resides within each and every single one of you and me and everything. We just have to tap into it sometimes. We just have to take time to remember that that beauty still exists. And as long as we remember every day and then we pass it on, we're going to be like little torches or candles passing that light throughout the world. And in a time of darkness, the great thing about the darkness is it allows our light to shine even brighter. So let's take our candles, our lights, pass it on today, spread that experience of kindness, and believe and know that it's within us to change the world.